Well, really, it's the best qualities of a father and a mommy rolled up into one. I mean, it's really almost like a superhuman. I mean, Superman would like to be best friends with a Fommy.
We just tell him that he's the best ever. Ever since I went back to work, he works really hard.
You know, when our founding fathers made the nation, one of the things they cared about was the Fommy. I mean, I don't think most people understand how integral it is to our nation and to our family stabilities. I got this trophy for being the best Fommy of the year because I play a lot of basketball with my kids.
His mom gave us a box of things from his childhood, and that was one of his old basketball trophies.
I take care of all the hard, messy stuff during the week. Damn! So that way on the weekends, we can spend family time. OdoBan helps me get rid of those gross odors in the shoe. I feel like I'm the Batman of the house, you know, the real hero. OdoBan really helps me stay on top of the laundry too. I know they really appreciate me and love me for all that I do.
Yeah!
I'm not sure it would get that clean if we didn't have OdoBan. I'm just really glad he has all that help.